Okay, in this video we are going to talk about evaluating as well as composition of functions. Suppose f of x equals to x squared minus x minus 15 and g of x equal to x minus 2. Solve for the following. So f over g of negative 2. So ibig sabihin, yung f of g kasi pwede natin siyang hiwalay. Pwede natin gawin ganito, f of negative 2 over g of negative 2. So f of negative 2, ito, yung f of x na yan, tapos palitan mo yung x ang negative 2. At ang x papalitan mo ng negative. So, minus. Ayan. 2 times negative 2 squared minus. Take note, minus negative 2 dapat yan. Yan minus 2 lang. Okay, kasi may minus dito. Okay, para sure, lagyan mo na ng parenthesis yung mga x para hindi nakalilito. So, ayan. Depende natin. 2 times. Ito muna. PEMDAS. Diba? So, nasa loob muna. Parenthesis. Negative 2 squared, so positive 4. Yeah, times 2. So, that is 8 minus negative 2. So, that is 8 plus 2. 10 minus 15, negative 5. Over g of negative 2. So, dito naman, g of negative 2. That is nothing but negative 2 minus 2. Negative 2 minus 2, negative 4. So, this is negative divided by negative, that's positive. So, 5/4. And next, f of g of 2. So, yeah, that is just the same as saying f of g of 2. Okay, yung nasa malapit sa input natin, dependent variable natin, ayun yung inner function. Yun yung composition of functions. F of g, ibig sabihin f composed of g. Okay, f composed of g of 2. So it implies that since g of 2, negative 2 gamit natin kanina, so ito, sana, okay, dito na lang mali. Papalitan dito na lang. G of that is equal to 2 minus 2. Yeah, so that is 2 minus 2, 0. So ibig sabihin g of 0. So f of 0 ka na. Yung f, papalitan mo ng 0. Okay, so ano yung f natin? Sulat na natin. 2 times 0 squared minus 0 minus 15. That is nothing but 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 raised to any number. Okay, as long as that number is not equal to 0. 0 is what? 0 minus 0 minus 15. Negative. That is for the A, division of functions, and for B, composition of functions. So, dito sa C, ayan, determine the value or values of x that will make the expression. So let's first define what is undefined ba? Undefined, yan yung division by 0. Okay? Numerator mo is not equal to 0, then yung denominator mo is equal to 0. In this function, okay, rational functions, okay, to identify ano yung expression or value ni x, or rather na makapag undefined sa function natin, denominator 0. Ayan, di ba? And n over 0. So, di ba ito yung madalas nating nakikita pag rational function? But that is expressed as p of x is equal to f of x over g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0. Kasi kapag nag-equal yun to 0, undefined na siya. Yung kinukuha natin, undefined. Okay, determine the value or values of x that will make the expression undefined. Equate this x squared equals, x squared minus muna pala, minus 64 is equal to 0. And then, pwede natin lipat sa 64 doon. So, x squared equals 64. Na kapag ganito, since quadratic siya, automatic may isip natin na dalawa yung roots niya. Okay? So, apply natin na extracting square root on both sides, automatic plus minus. Okay? Maka-cancel na to. Bakit plus minus? Kasi Ang sagot niyan, kapag ni-raise mo to the second power is just equals to negative nun. Okay, raised to second power. For example, ayan, x, what is the square root of 64? 8. Yeah? So, this simply means that 8 squared minus 64 is equal to 0, as well as negative 8 squared is also 64 minus 64, that is equal to 0. So, ayun yung values. Papa, undefined na yung function, rational function. That's number 1. For number 2, may k dito, pero wala tayong pake dyan. Denominator lang tayo. Okay, k denotes constant naman yun. As long as, paano mo pala masasabing constant? Kung ano yung ginamit mo rito, okay, or independent variable or yung input natin, ayan lang yung gagamitin mong variable kasi it denotes na f of x or function of x. So dapat lahat ng nasa right, yung variable doon ay x lang. Kapag may nakita kang letter pero hindi x, variable yun, constant na yun. Okay, ganun siya. So ibig sabihin, ayan, simply equate this to 0, x minus 7. Medyo dinerecho ko na. X minus 7 equals 0 and hence x equals 7. So ayan, kasi pag 7 minus 7 making 0, so the whole function is undefined. And that's it. Have you learned something?